Hey everyone, and welcome to Spelling. Happy Monday, and let's get started on day 1, which is page 190 in your workbook. We're on Unit 29. And in Unit 29, we're talking about contractions. Contractions are words that are put together, and we make them shorter by using an apostrophe and taking out some letters. So when we take a look at these, we're going to be looking at what two words were put together to make this contraction. And when we think of that, we should also be thinking, how much time are we saving by taking away these letters? So let's take a look. On number 1, it says must've. Must've is a contraction of must have. So we took away the HA and we put the apostrophe to replace HA. And this is called a contraction because we're contracting, we're pulling together two words and we're making it shorter. So we have must've, which is must have, and we look at it and we say, we must have misplaced the toy. Now, when we write must've, we have to make sure that we see that we're putting the apostrophe in there. So don't just put M-U-S-T-V-E, because then you have not made a contraction. You've just made a nonsense word. With the apostrophe, it makes the contraction. So for number 2, where it says the word have been shortened, and must've is must have, but shortened. So must've, M-U-S-T apostrophe V-E. Now, as you can tell, my computer is slow. Hopefully your guys' computers work a little bit faster. So then when we see I've is the VE as well, which means that it's have. So it's I've and it's I have. I've finally learned how to swim. I have finally learned how to swim. The word that you will go through here and see is not a have or a will, because will would be all the LLs. There's one word that does not have VE or LL, and that is won't. So number 11 on the list is number 1 on our list, and it's won't. So my cat won't go near the vacuum. And won't is a contraction of two base words, and it's will not. My cat will not go near the vacuum. So when you go through this, put won't up here on number 1, and don't forget to put the apostrophe, W-O-N apostrophe T. Then go and organize your words with all the VEs here and all the LLs here. Once you're finished with that, you're done with your spelling. And make sure you practice these throughout the week. And do not forget your apostrophes. Promise.